In the scriptures, a tale is told of unforgiveness, bitter and cold. A servant owed his master dear a hefty sum, so vast, so sheer. The master called to settle the score, but mercy flowed, forgiveness poor. The servant begged, his debt was high. Have patience, sir, I'll rectify. The master, moved by grace profound, released the debt no longer bound. But as the servant left that place, he met a debtor, a familiar face. A debt far less, a trifle slight, yet he demanded with all his might. No mercy shown, no grace to give. Pay what you owe, that you may live. Word reached the master, his mercy spurned. The servant's debt I can return. For in your heart no mercy dwells, for your unforgiveness a prison cell. So let us learn from this story old. Forgiveness, a treasure worth more than gold. For as we forgive, we are set free. From chains and bitterness, we're finally free. In depths of soul, where shadows creep, unforgiveness lies and slumbers deep. A debt unpaid, a ledger full. Each grievance kept a heavy pool. The heart a vault where hurts reside. In silent chambers they do abide. Each memory a weight to bear, a burden heavy, hard to spare. The debtor's plea, ignored unseen. In bitterness, the heart convenes. Resentment grows, a bitter seed. In soil of anger, it takes heed. The ledger grows with every slight, each wrong remembered day and night. But in the darkness, a price is paid. For unforgiveness, the soul's betrayed. It chains the heart, it dims the light, it blinds the eyes, it steals the sight. Yet in the depth